Morning. We're at Andong today, and it's really nice weather. Not too chilly like Calgary, around 10 degrees.
有啲特地方俾到好安靜同埋平靜嘅生活咯，我覺得好舒服。至於我哋8點半開始出發呢，條街係冇人嘅，係安東。話明係8點半，梗係揾咖啡啦，咁早。我相信韓國人都幾中意飲咖啡嘅，因為我見到好多內街嗰度呢，啲好多咖啡商店啊，跟住俾我行下就揾到一間叫做 Coffee Factory 個咖啡店咯。咖啡朋友唔需要擔心冇咖啡喎。
So I'm having a cup of coffee. This is from Coffee Factory. It's Dutch cafe coffee.
呢度就係盛場啦，係喺韓國其中5大嘅，即係呢個係最大啦 ，out of 5個 palace。之前有打仗，跟住就冇咗咯 for 2 century， 但 after 咧19 century 咧佢哋再重起過咯，睇幾壯觀。影相嘅朋友可以值得睇一睇嘅，不過你就可以出邊度影相咯，我未見過啲遊客入去影相咯。不過靚還靚，我喺呢度我就好肚餓，因為我即係今朝我冇食過早餐咯，所以而家就去食人參雞啦，係 lunch。
This is the old street. Lots of food.
Foot Street.
Food street.
你食面餐人哋自己上嘅。
呢個咁熟面口嘅 Who's this? This is so familiar. Oh, fried chicken. But 好似抵啊啲價，呢度啲價錢好啲啊。
通常呢個鋪頭要排好長龍先可以去到，不過我哋早咗今日，所以就唔需要排隊，就直接可以入去食嘢啦。所以各位朋友應該早啲去咯，通常係開10點 AM 咯。
For the ginseng chicken. We're gonna order this one and this one.
喺韓國食嘢啲幾貴喎，分分鐘一餐仲貴過加拿大啊，加晒價啦。
Chili. And this is all you can eat kimchi. And that's daikon. It's a big bowl actually. Daikon. It's a big bowl actually.
通常人參雞呢就有洋葱啦，有飯啦，有雞力啦，同埋有啲紅棗咯。其實通常韓國人係熱 summer 先會食㗎咋。
Inside is rice. You can see lots of rice stuff. Let's see. Take that first dip. really good. Actually, the ginger is not too strong. It's just there's like mild, but I think it's really good. It's so hot. My chicken is so tender. So much tourists. Oh my god.
聖場廟又食完嘅人參雞，梗係去行一行digest下啦，食真係好飽，因為跟住就去到韓國 village 啦，呢度就係嗰啲韓國居民嗰時住嘅地方，近住個城牆廟嗰度啦。睇下幾細個門口，唔知係咪啲細蚊仔喺度住咧？如果有咩朋友想嚟啲，值得嚟呢度影相。係喎，我哋呢個係免費入場㗎，所以啲好抵㗎。就啲路都幾斜，同埋我真係行到氣喘，所以我覺得各位朋友應該帶對波鞋會舒服啲咯。呢度係入邊嘅屋嘅居民住嘅地方啦，不過要除鞋喎。如果想入去，其實啲可以參觀下同。好高樓頂啊！個嗰啲居民住嘅地方，啲幾似日本嘅建築物咁。咧就準備去食 lunch 啦，食呢個醬蟹啊！我好緊張，因為我第一次食醬蟹，我唔知道個感覺係點，不過我好期待咯。
이건 뭐 그게 예전에 하기는 나도 그럴 거면 해야 돼. 어디로 들어오나? 4시에 나하고 들어올 때 같이 들어오나? 기다렸다가 내가 퇴근 시간이 일정치가 않아가지고 해도 기다리는데 힘들 때문에 왜 아파트에 일정은 올라갔냐 바람 때문에 아나 언니 오빠 그거 내가
撈埋呢個落去。
係，我影，不如你整。
唔係啊，你整我，你撈啊嘛，我影你，你撈啊嘛，你做 YouTuber，alright？ 懟晒落去，懟晒落去，係咁成個抌落去啦，跟住另一個又抌晒落去。 倒埋你另個飯落去先得㗎，你個飯 ，yeah， 我 After it, this one wakes up and mix it. Yes, that's what you do.
내가 자세히 못 들었는데 민중의 엄마도 이 오빠 레이 파티브 하는 거 한 분인가 듣고 이제 잘한다고 한 거 같아. 내가 뭐 하는 거지. 왜냐면 어제랑 딱하게 없거든. 아 그거 듣고 왔어?
撈啊，攞匙羹撈啊。你中意落幾多落幾多咯。即係辣㗎啦，辣㗎，唔落咁多啊！啊死人啊！ 你攞匙羹撈啊！係啦，撈勻佢，撈勻佢，我唔夠 Wix。No。呢個係乜嘢啊？What is that?
Rice.
What kind? What is that? Come on, answer. Answer, come on. What is that? What are you doing?
민주가 못 잡았으면 그렇게 잘할 거지가
What's that feeling? What's the feeling of the raw crab?
It's good on a hot day like today.
Taste.
Really fresh, really fresh. Actually, this one is sweet a little bit. It has kind of like a sweet and salty feel too, which is good.
Doodoo 係黃燕之去過㗎。
Red bean dessert. I ordered a porch and binso red bean. Let's see how it tastes. But I think in the previous show, I think this is famous for red bean. Let's see how it tastes. But I'm so full from the raw crab. Oh my god. 15,000 won. This is a small portion. I don't think it's that big. I think it's really a good size for dessert.
That's huge for me already.
But I don't think I can finish it anyways. I'm gonna take my first dip. Look at this ice. It just melts in my mouth. It's really fluffy.
跟住行到出邊咧，就見到個皇上 statue 啦。係喺100,000 嗰啲 Korean bills 應該見到佢個樣㗎，好出名嘅，同埋佢發掘唐人漢字咯，俾韓國人識咯。完韓國嗰啲禮服咧，跟住就周圍行一行，跟住就去到雲大去 shopping 咯。跟住好似同我朋友 meet up 咗，跟住佢帶個地方去剪頭髮，其實 OK 嘅，幾抵嘅。我可以 suggest 俾所有朋友可以試下。你記得留意。飯時間，我同我 friend， 我老公咧就去咗食呢個九層塔啦，因為韓國好出名九層係蒸晒咗海鮮。如果2個人食咧，就會食唔到，你要3個人先食到嘅。但我覺得啲韓國海鮮咧，其實冇唐人咁入味咯，因為韓國人就咁齋蒸，真係冇乜味喎。其實即係識個鮮味咯。不過我中意最拉尾嗰層咯，因為佢有個好辣嘅湯，但係會整到你好暖身咯。就係呢個湯啦。呢個最好味㗎啦，我覺得。不過唔好咁高要求咯，對韓國海鮮。個名。 嘅。